Okay. You just have to hold it up. I'll hold it. Oh, there you go. Look at Daddy picking up Eddie. Eddie, you're a little spaghetti. Eddie's looking a little... The only time it says that they look upset is when their mouth goes open.
I have the same problem.
I like your outfit, Ro. Just pull it up.
Very strong.
You gotta hold him to you.
If I do that, he'll fucking tear me up. He's very strong.
You're gonna put him down?
Yeah.
Go ahead. He's gonna try to go right in the water. Oh, that's not good.
There's nowhere to run, Eddie.
He likes when you pet his head. Well, he has to be calm.
He has to be used to me.
Yeah, that's what he likes.
Closing his eyes, actually.
Yeah, that's what he does.
He's very powerful.
You did good.
Very healthy, powerful little guy.
Oh, look, he's closing his eyes, Ralph. Bye.
Shut it up.